This video will look at CBA 1 Geography in the News for the new Junior Cycle Geography curriculum. It will be a practical exercise that will look at the California wildfires in the news. And we'll do this using ArcGIS Online. Schools can sign up to ArcGIS for Schools on the schools.esri-ireland.ie website. To start off, you go to arcgis.com and click Sign In. From here, you can log in with the login from today's workshop, or if you have one already, and click Sign In. From here, click Map. From here, you'll have an interactive map, and we're going to search for data that sits in ArcGIS Online. So click Add, search for layers in ArcGIS Online, and we're going to search for data on the wildfires in California. Once we search for a keyword, which could be for any topic across the world, this one just happens to be wildfires, we'll note that there are a list of data services available on this topic in ArcGIS Online. So the first one we will add to the map is the USA Wildfire Activity data layer. Once you click on it, you can see where it comes from. It's an authoritative source. It's in the Living Atlas in ArcGIS Online, which means it's an authoritative source and included for data all around the world. And you'll see where it comes from, where the data is stored, where it's been taken from, what date it's been recorded. You'll see that this particular one is updated on a daily basis, and you get all the information about it before you add it to the map. And you click Add to the Map, click the X to go back, and we're going to scroll down as well to add another data source, which is the wildfire hazard potential. So again, we're going to scroll down and see where this comes from. So we'll see it comes from the US Forest Service. So the data that are high possibility of wildfires and its source and when it was recorded. And we're going to add it to the map. We're going to click the X and back, and we're going to go to our content to see the layers here. Once the layers are here, we can click on any of them to see what data is stored for each of them, and we can get more information about them. I'm just going to click on this one and move it up, and I'm going to click to tick on all of the layers of information about the wildfire activity on the map. So you can see the active fires, inactive fires, and as it's updated on a daily basis, you'll see that there's just inactive fires at the moment, and you'll see what each of the logos and symbols mean on the map by clicking your legend and scrolling down to see what each of them means. So by color coded, you'll see the green areas is very low wildfire hazard potential, and red is very high, and then you'll see the water bodies. You can scroll in any area and search for any of the data for different topics, and then you can explore and investigate them on the map by clicking the icon. So you'll see where this one took place, the date it started, and that it's 90% contained. So this one started on January 1st, and you can zoom to any of these areas on the map. Once we've zoomed to it, you can look around the area, and from our legend here, you can see that this particular area, there's a very low wildfire hazard potential. But if we scroll out, or alternatively we can search for an address, you can see that in California there is lots of red areas, which mean there's a high wildfire hazard potential. From here we'll save our map so we can explore this topic in a story map. So wildfires in the news, JCT as the tag, and save our map. Once our map is saved, we're going to share it so other people can view it. So we'll click Everyone, create a web app, which is our story map that we're going to build next, build a story map, and we're going to use the story map cascade for the next part of the workshop, which is our story map. Create web app and click Done. I'm just going to call it Workshop. Done. Next, our story map will open for us to start building on it, and we'll see the map we've just created. For part 2.